So the part two of my behavior system is called the pre-frame. And a pre-frame is a hint as what we want people to do by giving them a hint as opposed to a command or instruction. So remember, I say, we're oppositional. If I say you're not allowed to put your hands up in the air, you want to put your hands up in the air. I understand the reality. If I say you're not allowed to touch her, exactly. So in reality, I say you're not allowed to touch her. I understand. All I did was I said to get my attention, touch her, and I told the whole entire rest of the room to get my attention, touch her. In the outside fake world, there are teachers that will go, how dare you touch her? So you get to live in the mind or you get to live in reality, whichever one. Okay? So the three pre-frames that I use are, first of all, I like the way, which you probably already use. What happens if I walk into a classroom, I pattern interrupt? If I don't pattern interrupt, the kids aren't paying attention. They don't know that I'm saying I like the way. It's not their fault. So what happens if I pattern interrupt? I go, meow! All the kids look at me and go, I like the way you're sitting. No one's sitting crisscross. They're all standing at the tables or whatever. I like the way you're sitting crisscross. I like the way you're sitting crisscross. What do they all do? They're like this, like what? Like crisscrossatron. They like transform, and they all sit crisscross. Okay? I don't remember when I even got that one. I thought but watch the beauty of humans, because we create expectation that people should be a certain way. I like the way you're sitting up straight. I like the way you're sitting up straight. I like the way you're, hold on a second, I like the way you're sitting up straight. I like the way you're sitting up straight. I like the way you're sitting up straight. Okay, now, pause. How many of you knew what I wanted you to do? Sit up straight. Okay, yeah, that's fine. How many of you knew that I wanted you to sit up straight, caught yourself about to sit up straight, and made a powerful choice? I'm not sitting up straight. Yeah, that's fine. You raise your hand too. And then as I'm looking over and I'm panning over to you, in your body, like, you're going to see me not sitting up straight. And then you wonder why your kids are spiteful. Because they get the same responses as you get the same responses. Now sit up straight. But do you see how it is? And you bark an order at her, and she's like, ha 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 ha, and you wonder why your kids laugh in your face.